Okay. Say hi. Say hi. Nope, that's not really what I had in mind. Oh, he's a tired boy. He's a tired boy. Yeah, we had a long day, didn't we? We did. Yeah. I did yard work and you barked. And then we went for a walk. Yes, we did. Say hi. Say hi. Say hi. We did. And got a bath. We did. We did. He's a good boy.